Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the different platforms supported by DSers. Before we dive in, let's take a moment to think about the challenges of running a dropshipping business. One of the biggest challenges is managing multiple platforms. This can be a real headache, especially if you're selling on multiple marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify. That's where DSers comes in. DSers is a powerful tool that allows you to manage all of your dropshipping platforms from a single dashboard. This makes it easy to keep track of your orders, products, and customers. So what platforms are supported by DSers? Well, quite a few. Here are some of the most popular ones: Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, BigCommerce, Etsy, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Lazada. This is just a small sampling of the platforms that DSers supports. In fact, DSers is constantly adding new platforms to its list, so it's likely that they'll be supporting your platform soon if they don't already. So what are the benefits of using DSers? Well, there are many, but here are a few of the most important. Save time and effort. DSers allows you to manage all of your platforms from a single dashboard, which saves you a lot of time and effort. Increase your sales. DSers offers a number of features that can help you increase your sales, such as product automation and abandoned cart recovery. Improve your customer experience. DSers provides a seamless customer experience by allowing you to offer a variety of shipping and payment options. If you're looking for a way to manage your dropshipping business more efficiently, I highly recommend checking out DSers. It's a powerful tool that can help you save time, increase sales, and improve your customer experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling.